Hello and welcome to Hodgson's. Our recipe tonight is a surf and turf. It's where turf meets surf. I've been to Bowlands and purchased these beautiful fillet steaks and obviously Hodgson's for the king prawns. Now I've cut them down the back and butterflied them. You take a little membrane out, that's pretty simple, and then load them with garlic butter. Line them up like little soldiers, and if you notice I've cut the tops off and put a little bit of garlic butter in there. What we'll do is we'll put them in the oven, in a preheated oven for 12 minutes. You don't need to barbecue these because you want them nice and succulent. If you barbecue them, they tend to dry out. This is the perfect recipe. 12 minutes, let the wolf oven do the work. Right, so the 12 minutes is up in the hot oven. We'll get these out of the oven now. Obviously you can see they've changed colour to a nice orangey pink. Fantastic, and ready to go. So what we'll do is we'll plate the dish up now. We've got our steaks here. I prefer a rare steak, but this is what we mean by easy peel. They're very easy to peel because you've butterflied them. You can just take the king prawn. Look at the succulence there, fantastic. Place that on the top, and then what we'll do now is we'll get our garlic butter we prepared earlier, and there you have it. Surf and turf, courtesy of Hodgson's and Bowlands, where surf meets turf.